Hello friends, so in this tutorial I will show you how to use online dictionary using terminal in Unix or Linux. Open the terminal. Then I am using curl command. Dict is one of the protocols, like we have HTTP and HTTPS. This is the website name. D stands for the definition, and after that the word which you want to search. I'm looking for anonymous word. So one definition retrieved. Okay, so it means nameless of unknown name. Okay, let's see some more options. So there are other dictionaries also in this website. So for that, use show DB option. DB stands for databases. So these many dictionaries this website is having. So there are some dictionaries and some you can translate, like this one is from Turkish to English, this one is from Portuguese to German. So translations also you can do. Okay, so there are many dictionaries it is using. This one is for English to Spanish. Okay, so let's see some more examples. Anonymous, again I'm looking for the same word in English dictionary. This is one of the dictionary. Okay, so this is the meaning. If you want to search for a particular dictionary, you can type that. So what if I use another dictionary for doc? Okay, if there's a no match, it will show no match. Okay, so now guys, let's try to translate a word man from English to Spanish. Press enter. One definition retrieved. Okay, so man in Spanish it means hombre. Okay, so guys, please like, subscribe and comment, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching this video.